بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على أشرف المرسلين سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم. سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم. وبعد، السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. السلام عليكم جماعة. إدام سلامة. on mute كدام سلامة.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ẹ̀yin náà
Salam
lẹ́ni ká
wa
mú ìtò dẹ̀ ká
rahmatullahi
ṣe.
wa
Èmi náà mo mọ̀ pé mi ni
barakatuh.
mo ní kẹ́ mute, so ńgbà tí mo wá ti sálámọ̀ yẹn ẹ wà á dá mi lóhùn sálámọ̀, àdúrà mo ṣe,
Mo
it's a prayer
sálámọ̀
for
sínú
you.
ni, mo dá yín lóhùn sínú.
Eh,
Èmi náà
eh,
dáhùn sínú ni.
eh, no problem, no problem. I know because I asked you guys to mute. That's why we did not hear the
We didn't
response.
say
But
it out,
the
yeah.
people at home that are watching us, they'll be wondering why are they not responding to her salam? So that's why I say let us say the reply to the response to the salam, inshallah. So we are studying the tanween, right? We are looking at the tanween. Let me see. Let me take us to tanween. All right. So this is our note on tanween. Tanween means double fatha, double kasra, or double dhamma. And tanween means double haraka. Haraka is fatha, kasra, or dhamma. So when you have it doubled on a letter, then you have what is called tanween. Fathatain is double fatha or tanween fatha. And the sound of fathatain is an.
Thank you.
Can you hear me? So when you have double fatha on a letter, it gives the letter the sound an. Kasratain, double kasra or tanween kasra gives the sound in. When you have the double kasra at the bottom of a letter, it gives it the sound in. And dhammatain, double dhamma, gives the sound un. Now, every letter with fathatain or tanween fathi has alif, except ta marbuta, and sometimes hamza. Every tanween ends with a hidden nun sakina, a hidden nun that a nun that is not written, but it is sounded. It is spoken but not written. A nun that has no fatha or kasra or dhamma. And this is what, if we spell it out, fathatain is an, kasratain is in, and dhammatain is un. All right? Fathatain is an, hamza fatia, nun sukun, an. Kasratain is hamza kasra, nun sukun, in. Dhammatain is hamza dhamma, nun sukun, un. But we don't write it like this. We write them as signs. Okay? Let us see what the next page has. All right. Okay. Let me write it out for you. So, let us look at this line as representing letters. Okay. Now, ba, letter ba with fathatain will also be given an alif. All right? Ta fathatain will also get an alif. Are you following me? I can't hear you.
Okay. Yes, ma.
Jim fathatain also gets an alif. But when it comes to ta marbuta and it has fathatain, it does not take an alif.
Okay.
So ta marbuta takes fathatain without an alif. All right? Another point we need to note is that fathatain, kasratain, or dumatain never come at the beginning of a word. A word is like a group of letters that come together to form one word. When you have like two letters to form this word, this is Hamza, Fatih Alif Hamza is Hamza, with Fatha followed by Bad Dumatin, Bun. All right? The Tanwin will never come at the beginning. It will never come in the middle. It only comes at the end. For example, Walad. Waladun means a boy. All right? The Tanwin only comes at the end. It never comes at the beginning, never comes in the middle of a word. It only comes at the end of a word. All right? Waladun means a boy. All right? So if you say, where is the A in Waladun? The A, boy, is the Domatin. That Domatin stands for A. Walad is boy. A boy is Waladun. Any question? Abun means a father.
Father.
So without putting any other word, just because I put the tenwin at the end, it means a what?
Father.
A father. A father. So if I say kitabun, kitab means book. So what does kitabun mean?
Kitabun, our book.
Our book? Our book? No.
Kitab, a book.
A book, because Tenwin tells me it is a something.
Something, yes.
So kitabun is a book.
Excuse me.
Shoyewa.
Ben,
So Tenwin can never ever come at the beginning of a word. Never ever. It can never ever come in the middle of a word. It only comes at the end of a word. Let me say it again, because that's the mistake you made at the introduction when you said Tenwin cannot come at the beginning, but it can come in the middle.
Yes.
It can never, ever, ever
Okay.
come at the beginning of a word or in the middle of a word. Never, ever.
Okay.
It only comes at the end of a word.
Yes.
Do we understand that part?
Yes. On
So
all the harakats, ma. All the harakats.
What do you mean by all the harakats?
Fatia, Fatihatin, Kesrotin.
Yes, all the tenwin.
All the
Fathatin,
ten.
kasratin, dummatin, they
Okay.
only come at the end of a word.
Okay.
The word can now come at the beginning of the sentence, it can come in the middle of the sentence, or it can come at the end of the sentence. But that word will have the tenwin only at the end of the word, never at the beginning, never in the middle, but only at the end of a word. It's where you see tenwin.
Okay.
All right? Please
Yes.
let me quickly give our Ustaz Ustaz Ahlan wa Sahlan. Ustaz, can you hear me?
Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
No, okay.
Let me quickly do the breakout room. I have not done the breakout room.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Your class is ready, Ustaz, and
Now,
you have the co-host. Did I give you
yeah.
co-host?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did. All right. Okay.
You go to our class.
Yes, let us move to our class, please.
Me marry grandma.